Next to it is my green juice. So onto the next shelf, I'll go in with my carrots. I love carrots, you guys. I eat my carrots with peanut butter. It sounds weird, but it tastes really good, and you guys should try it. And then I'll also go in with my diced fruits. So here I have my pineapple and my mangoes. So this makes my work so much easier, especially when I come back from work and I'm very tired. So instead of snacking on any other thing, I'll snack on my already diced fruits. Alright guys, so here I'm just prepping my veggies for the fridge, and as you can see I'm trying to dump off excess water. So normally when I do this, these are the veggies that I'm gonna eat that day or the next day, because you don't want to stock them in the fridge for long because they'll spoil, because they already have some water in them. So I'll take my dish, which has some paper towels in the bottom, and then add my veggies in the dish. So onto this other compartment, I'll go in with my bamboo cutting board, then place it there, and then go in with the fruits that require some refrigeration for the day. So I'll go in with my mango and some avocados, place them there, and I'll also go in with my watermelon. So here I'm just wrapping my watermelon with a clean paper, just to prevent it from spoiling. This will make it last a little bit longer than usual. Right guys, so moving on to this other side of the fridge, I'll go in with my orange juice. I love orange juice, you guys. I can drink orange juice the whole day. I also go in with my milk. I'm not a fan of milk, but I buy milk because of my visitors. I'll also go in with my wine. I love wine, guys, and this wine is almost over. I'll also go in with this other brand of wine that a friend of mine got me when my videos were aired on KTN. He was like, I'm so proud of you. Let me get you something. So he got me wine. So onto the next compartment, I'll go in with my yogurt. I love mixed berries and this other flavor that I recently discovered. I think it's vanilla mixed with chocolate chips. It's really good, you guys. And then I'll also go in with my Nutella, and I feel like this is the only unhealthy thing that I have in my fridge, but I love Nutella, you guys. I also go in with my organic garlic. I've become so lazy to ground my own garlic, so I prefer buying already grounded garlic. Okay guys, so just to put it up there, this is what is in my fridge, not in my freezer. My freezer is not that stocked. I only have fish and chicken. Yeah guys, so this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. You turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram because that's where I am mostly active. And it's until next time guys, bye.